What's up, guys? Today, we're going full-on Willy Wonka mode with some crazy delicious recipes using American candy. We've got everything from Skittles to Snickers, and we're turning them into culinary masterpieces. Before we dive into this candy-coated chaos, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome food adventures. Drop a comment telling me your favorite American candy. Let's get baking. First up, we have the ultimate treat, candy bar brownies. These are not your average brownies. They are packed with your favorite candy bars for an extra indulgent experience. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your brownies bake evenly and come out perfectly every time. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 box of brownie mix, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir the mixture until it's smooth and free of lumps. This will be the base of our delicious brownies. Next, chop up your favorite candy bars into small pieces. I'm using Snickers, Twix, and Reese's for a variety of flavors and textures. Mix these chopped candy bars into the brownie batter, ensuring they're evenly distributed. Pour the batter into a greased 9x 13-inch pan, spreading it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 25-30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the brownies are baking, let's make a rich and creamy frosting. In a separate bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until the frosting is smooth and fluffy. Once the brownies have cooled completely, spread the frosting generously over the top. For an extra touch, sprinkle more chopped candy bars on top of the frosted brownies. Now that's what I call a brownie. Each bite is a delightful combination of rich chocolate and your favorite candy bars. Enjoy! Next, candy apple slices. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Core and thinly slice 2 large Granny Smith apples. Lay slices on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Melt 1 bag of caramel candies. Dip each apple slice in caramel and place back on the sheet. Sprinkle with toppings like chopped peanuts, mini M&Ms, and rainbow sprinkles. Bake for 10-15 minutes until caramel is bubbly. Let cool completely before enjoying these crunchy, gooey treats. Candy popcorn, the ultimate movie night snack. This delightful treat is perfect for any movie night, combining the crunch of popcorn with the sweetness of candy. Start by popping 8 cups of your favorite popcorn and set it aside. Make sure the popcorn is fresh and fluffy for the best results. Next, melt 1 cup of butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Stir occasionally to ensure it melts evenly. Add a 10-ounce bag of marshmallows to the melted butter and stir continuously until the marshmallows are completely melted and smooth. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful flavor to the mixture. Pour the marshmallow mixture over the popcorn and mix thoroughly until every kernel is evenly coated with the sweet, sticky goodness. Now it's time to add 1 cup of your favorite candy. I'm using M&Ms, Reese's Pieces, and chopped Butterfingers for a variety of flavors and textures. Spread the mixture on a parchment-lined baking sheet and let it cool completely. Once cooled, break apart the popcorn mixture into bite-sized pieces and enjoy your ultimate movie night snack. Candy milkshake. It's like a party in your mouth. In a blender, combine 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 1 cup milk, and your favorite candy bar. I'm using Snickers. Blend until smooth. If too thick, add more milk. Drizzle chocolate syrup inside your glasses. Dip rims in melted chocolate and sprinkles. Pour milkshake into glasses, top with whipped cream, and add more candy. Grab a straw and sip this party in your mouth. Enjoy. Candy cookies. Soft, chewy, and bursting with flavor. These delightful treats are perfect for any occasion, bringing joy to both kids and adults alike. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This ensures that your cookies bake evenly and don't stick to the pan. In a large mixing bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect cookie texture. Next, beat in 2 large eggs one at a time and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The eggs help bind the ingredients together, while the vanilla adds a wonderful aroma and flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2.25 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This dry mixture will give structure to your cookies. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cookies tough. Now it's time to fold in 1.5 cups of your favorite candy. I'm using M&Ms for a burst of color and crunch in every bite. For an extra layer of flavor, fold in some chopped peanut butter cups. These add a rich, nutty taste that complements the sweetness of the cookies. Don't forget to fold in some white chocolate chips. They melt beautifully and add a creamy texture to the cookies. Using a tablespoon, drop portions of the dough onto the prepared baking sheet. Make sure to space them out to allow for spreading. Bake the cookies in your preheated oven for 9-11 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Keep an eye on them to avoid overbaking. Once baked, let the cookies cool on a rack before indulging. Enjoy these irresistible, flavor-packed cookies with a glass of milk or your favorite beverage. That's it for today's sugar-filled adventure. We made some epic treats using American candy. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more crazy food challenges. Peace out. See you in the next video.